Okay, you actually get a lot of different stuff with this one. It has the remote, it has magnetic strips, it has the little brushes, it has zip ties to organize your cords, charging cable, cleaning brush, the HEPA filters, batteries. It has a quick and dirty instruction on the bottom of what and how to do. The tires are actually really nice, and they got that thick tread instead of the cheap plasticky tread. I mean, it's pretty easy, pretty nice looking. Charge the robot, obviously. Comes with a user guide. Comes with a instruction manual that is clear and easy to read for once.